Welcome to the #1 military real estate investing YouTube channel in the world, and really just platform in general, right? We've got close to 200,000 followers across all socials and growing very quickly. It's kind of scary how fast it's growing. So what are we, right? We're a community that is here to help service members, veterans, and their families learn how to build wealth through real estate investing, entrepreneurship, personal finance in order to achieve financial freedom. So that whether you serve 4 years or 40, you can actually live the life of your dreams. Right now, I can't guarantee that after 4 years in the military, you'll be financially free, but I can guarantee you'll be better off than if you weren't in the community paying attention. And I can't guarantee that at 20, you'll never want to work again. But I'd like to think that if you paid attention from year 1 to year 20 and you did the right things, that I could guarantee you wouldn't have to work again, right? The military does a really good job of giving us all of the tools and opportunities to set ourselves up for success after the military. We just don't all know how to use them. Or there's misinformation out there. Or we don't understand how to house hack with the VA loan. Or we don't understand the TSP and the best allocations and whether you should go Roth or traditional or which fund or life insurance or buying a car or all the things, right? Because we hear it from other people, and I'm another person too, so I mean, who's to say you should listen to me? But I spent 13 years in the Marine Corps active duty, a year in the Marine Corps as a reserves, left as a gunny, started buying real estate when I was a sergeant, and in 5 years I went from a negative net worth to $1 million net worth, totally financially free, left the military, haven't had to work again, and I make more salary payments and payroll, I pay more in payroll every month than I was making in the Marine Corps. I don't say any of that to brag. I just hope that you guys are willing to follow along and learn some stuff, right? Like, we're not here to solicit a whole bunch of bullshit. I don't do a whole bunch of overpriced high-ticket courses. I give away free content. Yeah, I have some opportunities out there where you can pay to join our small group of really serious real estate investors. It's ridiculously underpriced, though, so it's not crazy. And most of my stuff is, too. My book is as cheap as I can pretty much make it. I think I make like $2 or $3 a copy that's sold, so not a whole lot of margin in there. And you can get it for free as a PDF. If you just go to my website and type in your email, you'll get it for free, right? So I give it away. This community is about giving back. It's about impact. It's about changing 1,000 service members' lives and making them financially free. And reaching all 3 million service members, and reaching all the veterans, and reaching the 1% of the population who laid it all out on the line for everybody else. And to the point that a lot of them get out of the military and they lose their purpose and they didn't have their finances set up and they become an unfortunate number of homeless or suicide or whatever other outcome. And I don't think that has to be the case. I think if you take a little time now and you set yourself up for success, you can have that purpose when you exit. You can have that identity outside of the military. You can have that house or that house hack or that knowledge to do such. And you can set yourself up for success to just take on the world. Because while, yes, there are a lot of homeless veterans and there are a lot of, we all heard the suicide rate and all that other stuff, there's also a lot of billionaire veterans. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, one of the richest men in the world, Army vet. Right? The founder of FedEx, Marine Corps vet. The Sith Lord, Adam Driver, and Rob Riggle, both Marine Corps vets, right? There's a ton of service members and veterans who are millionaires and billionaires and multimillionaires, and I think that it's possible for us to sway the entire military that way as opposed to the other way. So that's what we're here for. If that sounds like it's your community, make sure you like some videos, subscribe, share the stuff you find useful, and tell your friends about us. We're here to help. And go grab your free copy of the book on my website. Have a great day.